Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Start screen appears in Windows 10 if using a tablet or if you change the default Start settings to enable its display. If viewing the desktop in Windows 10, you can view the Start screen by clicking the Start button, which has the Windows logo on it, in the lower left corner of the screen in the Windows taskbar. Alternately, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard to display the Start screen at any time. By default, the left side of the Start screen shows a collapsed navigation pane. The topmost button is called the Navigation Pane button, or Nav button. It is also sometimes called the Hamburger button, as it resembles the outline of a hamburger with its three horizontal stacked lines. Tapping or clicking the Navigation Pane button in the upper left corner displays a navigation pane that contains your username, a list of your most used apps and software programs, links to the File Explorer, Settings, Power, and an All Apps link. Clicking the Nav Pane button again collapses the navigation pane. When collapsed, you can only see the Nav Pane, Power, and All Apps buttons. By default, the right side of the Start screen shows a listing of commonly used apps within two default sections named Life at a Glance and Play and Explore. This side of the Start screen is designed to resemble the Start screen found in Windows 8. You will now learn the actions that you can take within the Start screen in Windows 10 from top to bottom and left to right. After clicking the Nav Pane button in the upper left corner of the Start screen to display the navigation pane, you can click your username to display a drop-down menu of account choices. To change your account settings, select the Change Account Settings link. To lock the computer and show the lock screen, choose the Lock link. To sign out of the computer, choose the Sign Out link. To switch user accounts, select the name of the user account you want to use from the list to switch to the sign-in screen for that user. To close the menu without making any choices, click your username again. Below that, you can click any of the program icons shown within the Most Used list to open their associated app or software program. You can open the File Explorer window by clicking the File Explorer link in the navigation pane. You can also open the Settings window for Windows 10 by clicking the Settings link in the navigation pane. To select from options for powering off the computer, click the Power link in the navigation bar. Select the Sleep choice in the menu that appears to place the computer into sleep mode. To shut down the computer, select the Shutdown choice in the menu. To restart the computer, select the Restart command in the menu. To close the menu without making a choice, click the Power link once again. To view all of the apps and software programs installed on your computer, click the All Apps link in the navigation bar. An alphabetical listing of all of the apps will then appear within the navigation pane. You can click an app icon that is shown within this list to open the associated app, or you can click the backlink that appears at the bottom of the navigation pane to return to the default Start screen. You can click any app icon shown in the live tiles that appear at the right side of the Start screen to open that app in a new window. To return to the desktop, if available, you can simply click the Start button, which has the Windows logo on it, in the lower left corner of the screen in the Windows taskbar, or press the Windows key on your keyboard again when the Start screen is displayed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.